Here we go again, a supernatural noise. I just heard it lying in my bed through the Velux window that's shut in my bedroom. That's not a plane. I'll check on my plane finder app in a minute. I was just watching a video about the Bible code and mathematics and proof of God. I just finished it. What is that noise? This is the third time it's done it now. It's just gone up. There's nothing in that direction. It's completely fields and that. There we go. That's the noise. Yeah, I've just come straight up stairs into my bedroom to look on my plane finder app, and the only plane nearby that's gone by is this one. This is an EasyJet from Manchester to Amsterdam. Right, so that well, it wasn't anywhere near my house. That's my house there on the Birchwood in Lincoln, UK, and as you see, if you look to the left there towards the B 1373 there, the noise was coming from the green area on the right, and there's nothing that would make that noise. It goes straight to Lincoln University. So that EasyJet plane was near St Giles, near Nettleham, which is, it's on the other side of the Lincoln Cathedral. Look, there's the hospital where I have been sectioned many times. But that's not the plane making that noise. That's definitely a supernatural noise again from Jehovah. There's no doubt about it. Yeah, I'm 100% sure. Anyway, there you have it. Supernatural noises again tonight, the third time.